Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex. So today I'm going to be doing some pressure washing. Well, actually I'm in the middle of doing some pressure washing. That's why I'm already sweaty. I'm just taking a break right now. Normally I do these intros before I get started, but I forgot today, so that's why I'm doing it now. No big deal. Yeah, so far it's going pretty good. The house is looking a lot better. It was looking kind of gross in a few spots. And when I did a video a couple months ago of me spraying off the back deck, I sprayed off like a quarter of the back deck's wall. So that was looking kind of uneven for a while and weird, but it's looking a lot better now. So please stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm having fun today, having a blast, having fun making this video. So please tell me what you think, drop a comment, and please hit that like button. And I'll be bringing new videos every week, so please subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Alright, so I got that all taken care of now. The pressure washer is still working just fine, surprisingly, because I've just been leaving that pressure washer chilling on the back deck here. And even before that, I bought that pressure washer used a couple of years ago for when I was starting a lawn care pressure washer and pool cleaning business before I moved here. And funny story, on one of my pressure washing jobs, I was cleaning off a pool deck and it actually vibrated into the pool. So everything filled with water. So I emptied out and filled, emptied out and filled everything a few times. And yeah, it's still working, surprisingly. Yeah, so apparently that Craftsman pressure washer is a good brand, a good quality product. So if you guys are in the market of a pressure washer, I kind of suggest that one. Because apparently you can throw it in a pool and it will still work. So that's cool. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.